Hi, I'm Nikki Fox, the Senior SEO Analyst here at Conduit Digital. Welcome back to our SEO tip. Today's topic, how your business looks on SERP. SERP stands for Search Engine Result Pages. There are three main things that appear when you appear in SERP. 1. Title tags. A title tag is a quick summary of your page for users. This helps them decide if your page is relevant to their search. Generally, a title tag should only be 60 characters or shorter to ensure complete visibility. If it's over 60 characters, the full summary won't display on SERP. The second aspect is your meta description. The meta description pulls in the users and adds more context to the information provided in the title tag. Great meta descriptions increase click-through rates and can boost your organic traffic. A meta description should be shorter than 160 characters and include engaging text along with a call to action. Lastly, are URLs, but far from the least important. URLs should contain the focus keyword for the page. This is another signal to search engines that your page is relevant to the keyword and topic you want to rank for. These are just some of the most impactful ways to boost your presence on SERPs. If your agency wants to improve its client's SERP presence, contact our team of SEO experts today.